1 cube plus 2 cube plus so on plus n cube all divided by 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus so on plus 2k minus 1 is equal to answer is in the numerator we know that 1 cube plus 2 cube plus so on plus n cube is sigma n cube, that is the n square is n plus 1 whole square by 4. Next, in numerator is 1 and denominator is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus so on plus 2k minus 1. Now applying sigma 2 into k minus sigma 1, that is called 2 into k plus 1 k into k plus 1 by 2 minus k, this is k square. So therefore sigma k is equal to 1 to 5 and square it n plus 1 whole square by 4 by k square. Oh sorry, here it is k is equal to, so k plus 1 whole square by k square cancel, that is sigma k is equal to 1 to 5 k plus 1 whole square by 4. Now n is equal to, k is equal to 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 square means 4, 4 by 4 is 1 plus when k is equal to 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 square means 9 by 4 plus when k is equal to 3, 16 by 4 is 4 plus and k is equal to 4, 25 by 4 plus k is equal to 5, 36 by 4, 36 by 4 means 9. This is 14 plus 34 by 4. This is equal to 14 plus 17 by 28 plus 17 by 2. That is equal to 5. 45 by 3 is 22 and 22.5. If 1 by 2 into 4 plus 1 by 4 into 6 plus 1 by 6 into 8 plus n times is equal to k into n by n plus 1. Then k is equal to okay. Taking answer 1 by 1 in 2 into 4. 2 into 4 can be written as 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. Now we are taking LCM. This is 4 minus 2 is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6 minus 1 by 8 plus so on plus here the nth term. First of all we find nth term, that is 2, 4, 6 so on are in AP. So Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into common difference is 2, that is 2n, and the second term 4, 6, 8 so on are also in AP. Here Tn is equal to 4 plus n minus 1 into 2, that is Tn plus 2. Now the here is 1 by 2n minus 1 by 2n minus 2, 2n plus 2, that is called k n by n plus 1. Now this is 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6, all are cancelled. Now this is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 n plus 2, that is called k n by n plus 1. 1 by 2 into taking LCM is 2n plus 2 minus 2 by 4 into n plus 1. That is k into n by n plus 1. Those are cancelled, and n by 4 into n plus 1 is equal to k by n by kn plus 1. N cancel, n plus 1, n plus 1 cancels. So that implies k is equal to 1 by 4. Stop. Tn is equal to 1 by 4 into n plus 2 into n plus 3 for n is equal to 1, 2, so on. Then 1 by t1 plus 1 by t2 plus so on plus 1 by t 2003 is equal to how much? Okay. Here given Tn is n plus 2 into n plus 3 by 4. We require 1 by t1, 1 by t2, 1 by t3 and so on. So that's why 1 by tn is equal to 4 by n plus 2 into n plus 3. Now 1 by t1 plus 1 by t2 plus so on plus 1 by t 2003. That is equal to 1 by t1 means 4 by 1 plus 2 is 3 into 4 plus t2 means 4 by 2 plus 2 4 into 5 plus 4 by and n is equal to 3 5 into 6 plus so on plus 4 by 2003, that means 2005 into 2006. 4 is common. 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4. Now it is 4 minus 3 is 1 plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5 minus 1 by 6 plus so on plus 1 by 2005 minus 1 by 2006. Here minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. All these are cancelled. Now it is 4 into 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2006. That is 1 by 4 into 2006 minus 3 by 3 into 2006. Here 2 is cancelled, 1003, and this is 2 into 2003 by 3009 and multiplying with this one, that is 4006 by 3009 is the answer. 1 by k into k plus 1. For k is equal to 1 to so on to n. Then sigma ak, where k is equal to 1 to n whole square is equal to how much? Means ak is equal to 1 by k minus 1 by k plus 1. Taking LCM, k plus 1 minus k, k is cancelled, 1 by. So sigma ak, k is equal to 1 to n, that is equal to 1 by 1 minus 1 by 2 plus, and k is equal to 1 is 1 and k is equal to 2, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 plus when k is equal to 3, 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4 plus so on plus 1 by n minus 1 by n plus 1. Here minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 and cancel. Now we get 1 minus 1 by n plus 1, that is equal to n by n plus 1. that is sigma ak. K is equal to 1 to n. Now sigma whole square, that is n squared by n plus 1. Sigma k is equal to 1 to n plus 1 minus 1 to the power k minus 1 into k square is equal to. Here also we are expanding. When k is equal to 1, minus 1 to the power of 1 minus 1 is 0. So it is 1 square plus when n is equal to, when k is equal to 2. 2 minus 1 is 1 minus 2 square plus 3 square minus 4 square plus so on minus 1 to the power of 2n plus 1 is 2n. That is 2n plus 1 whole square. An odd number. First, second, so it is positive. Now we are taking 1 square plus 3 square plus so on plus 2n plus 1 whole square, and we are taking the even numbers. Minus 2 square means plus 2 square plus 4 square plus so on plus 2n whole square. Now this is 1 square plus 3 square plus so on plus 2n whole square plus 1 whole square, and it is common 3 square on the k square. Sigma 2n plus 1 whole square minus, so 1 minute, adding 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square plus so on plus 2n whole square plus 2n plus 1 whole square. So that means adding 2 square, 4 square and subtracting also. So that is 2 into 2 square plus 4 square plus so on plus 2n whole square. Now this is sigma 2n plus 1 whole square minus, this is taking 2 is common, 2 into 4 into 1 square plus 2 square plus so on plus n square. So this is sigma n square. Sigma n square means n into n plus 1, where n is 2n plus 1 into n plus 1, 2n plus 2 into 2n plus n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1, that means 4n plus 2 plus 1 means 3 by 6 minus 8. Sigma n square means n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 by 6. So here we are taking common, 2 is common, 2 into n plus 1 and 2 into n plus 1 into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 is common. N plus 1 6, 4n plus 3 minus 2 common 4, 4 means n, 4n, 3 cancel, n plus 1 into n plus 1 is common. N is greater than or equal to 1. Which of the following is divisible by 9? By 9. First one, 3 4n plus 2. Second, 4 4n minus 3n minus 1. Third power, 3 power 2n plus 3n plus 1. Fourth one is 10 to the power of n plus 1. By repetition, by verification. For all integers n greater than or equals to 1, which of the following is divisible by 9? When n is equal to 2, 8 square plus 1 is equal to 82, which is not divisible by 9. By 9. N is equal to 2, that implies 4 square minus 3 into 2 minus 1, that is equal to 16 minus 7 is equal to 9, is divisible by 9. N is equal to 2, that implies 3 to the power 4 plus 3 into 2 plus 1, 81 plus 7 is equal to 88, is not divisible by 9. N is equal to 2, that implies 10 to the power of 2 plus 1 is 101, is not divisible. Therefore, answer is second one. In this chapter, we have some formulas. If x belongs to R, then first one is e power x. This is 1 plus x by 1 factorial plus x square by 2 factorial plus x cube by 3 factorial plus so on. That is called sigma x power n by n factorial, where n is equal to 1 to infinity, that is e power x. Second one is e power minus x, that is 1 minus x by 1 factorial plus x square by 2 factorial minus x cube by 3 factorial plus so on, that is equal to sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 to the power of n into x power n by n factorial. Third one, when x is equal to 1, e is equal to 1 plus 1 by 1 factorial plus 1 by 2 factorial plus 1 by 3 factorial plus so on, that is equal to sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity 1 by n factorial. And fourth one is when x is equal to minus 1, that is 1 minus 1 by 1 factorial plus 1 by 2 factorial minus 1 by 3 factorial plus so on, that is equal to sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 to the power of n by n factorial. And then fifth one is if x comma a belongs to a real number and a is greater than 0, then the expansion of a power x is equal to 1 plus x log a to the base e plus x square by 2 factorial into log a to the base e whole square plus so on. That is next sixth one is first one sin hx that is equal to e power x minus e power minus x by 2, that is equal to x plus x cube by 3 factorial plus x power 5 by 5 factorial plus so on. And the second one is cos hx, that is equal to e power x plus e power minus x by 2, that is equal to x minus x square by 2 factorial plus 1 plus x square by 2 factorial plus x cube x power 4 by 4 factorial plus so on. That is cos hx. Another important formula is 7 to 1. That is, if x belongs to R and mod x less than 1, then first one log of 1 plus x to the base e is equal to x minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 minus x power 4 by 4 plus so on. And the second one is log of 1 minus x to the base e is equal to minus x square by 2 minus x cube by 3 minus x power 4 by 4 minus so on. Next, the third one is log of 1 plus x by 1 minus x to the base e, that is equal to 2 into x plus x cube by 3 plus x power 5 by 5 plus so on. And fourth one is, if x is greater than 1, log of 1 plus x by 1 minus x is equal to 2 into 1 by x plus 1 by 3 into x cube plus so on. Fifth one is log of 1 minus x square is equal to minus 2 into x square by 2 plus x power 4 by 4 plus so on.